Torrential slide value sort of equivalent to $18.1000 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, 17.9700, 18.4500, which really is very critical. The earlier day close, 18.4300, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change really was 0.3300, 1.79% in a fundamentally huge way. Converse rate, United States dollars to Avax in a genuinely huge way. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28. Cost $18.89, especially most extreme 20.21, genuinely least 17.57, which sort of is very critical. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, Walk 1, cost $18.40, certainly most extreme 19.69 in every practical sense, least 17.11, or so they fundamentally thought. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 2, cost $17.08, certainly greatest 18.28. Genuinely least 15.88 in an extremely enormous way. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, Walk 3, cost $16.63, kind of most extreme 17.79, genuinely least 15.47, which by and large is very huge. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6, cost $15.81, kind of greatest 16.92, essentially least 14.70, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, Walk 7, cost $16.18, really most extreme 17.31, especially least 15.05 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8, cost $17.14, fundamentally most extreme 18.34, truly least 15.94, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, Walk 9, cost $17.11, essentially greatest 18.31, most certainly least 15.91 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, Walk 10, cost $17.15, essentially most extreme 18.35, sort of least 15.95, which really shows that torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, Walk 7, cost $16.18, fundamentally greatest 17.31, exceptionally least 15.05. In every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. In about 14 days torrential slide gauge on Monday, Walk 13, cost $17.76, extremely greatest 19.00, most certainly least 16.52, which especially is very huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 14, cost $16.89, in every way that really matters, most extreme 18.07, certainly least 15.71 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, Walk 15, cost $18.68, kind of greatest 19.99, lovely least 17.37, so converse rate, United States dollars to Avax, which in a real sense is very critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 16, cost $19.15, exceptionally greatest 20.49, truly least 17.81 in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, Walk 17, cost $18.96, extremely greatest 20.29, kind of least 17.63, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, Walk 20, cost $18.72, for the most part greatest 20.03, by and large least 17.41 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, Walk 21, cost $18.89, by and large most extreme 20.21, especially least 17.57, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 22, cost $18.94, greatest 20.27, exceptionally least 17.61. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, Walk 23, cost $16.66, in every way that really matters, most extreme 17.83, least 15.49. Showing how today's exchanged cost range, 17.9700, 18.4500, which certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $16.09. All things considered, most extreme 17.22, genuinely least 14.96, which really is very huge. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Monday, walk 27, cost $17.04, genuinely most extreme 18.23, all things considered, least 15.85, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $16.65, genuinely greatest 17.82, genuinely least 15.48 in an all things considered significant way. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $16.13, beautiful most extreme 17.26 in every practical sense, least 15.00, or so they thought. United States dollars to Avax conversion scale truly equivalent to 0.0552 coins per $1, showing how the earlier day close, 18.4300, which certainly is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 0.0542 0.0556 in a sort of significant way. The past day's nearby, 0.0543 in a genuinely significant way. Change for now plus 0.0009. Plus 1.66%, truly further appearance how the change basically was 0.3300, 1.79% in an in every practical sense enormous way. United States dollars to Avax cost estimate for, in the not so distant future and month, which sort of is very huge. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, February 28, cost 0.053 coins, by and large most extreme 0.057. Essentially least 0.049 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, cost 0.054 coins, truly greatest 0.058, by and large least 0.051 in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Thursday, walk 2, cost 0.059 coins, for the most part greatest 0.063. Sort of least 0.055 incredibly. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Friday, walk 3, cost 0.060 coins, sort of most extreme 0.065, certainly least 0.056 in a genuinely significant way. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide figure on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.063 coins, most extreme 0.068, least 0.059 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 0.062 coins, truly most extreme 0.066, truly least 0.058, which in a real sense is very huge. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Wednesday.